After years of learning business techniques from my dad and recognizing my husband's knowledge and talents in the manufacturing industry, I saw an opportunity to create a business that strives to customize and modernize the industrial industry in a simplified and cost-effective way. Here at EzKin, one of our goals is to just reach out to our customers, make sure they're doing okay, and then just to get to know each of the individuals that make the customers' businesses run efficiently each day. A favorite part of my job is meeting with customers, troubleshooting problems, and finding solutions. The best piece of advice that I have ever received in business is probably in business just to execute what you believe in all of your ideas instead of just sitting there and overthinking it and planning.